This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 38 of building Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet from the Marvel Cinematic Universe Infinity Saga. In this issue, we're going to be actually building something, as opposed to last time, but first we're going to look through the magazine, as ever, looking at She-Hulk versus the Champion. I did quite enjoy the She-Hulk series. I've never read any of her magazines, but all good stuff. She-Hulk thing in action there. I don't know who the Champion is, but there we go. So yes, we are continuing the centre of the gauntlet, as I suspected last time. We're just adding the detail piece to the bit from last time. And then we are adding it to the rest of the arm as well. All good stuff. So it's going to be building up the other side, same as we did on there. Looking good. Titania. The Woman of Steel, not the Man of Steel. That's Superman. It's not Supergirl either. That would be different. There we go. That's her. I don't know her at all either. I also don't know Dan Slott, but I'm sure he's an artist or writer or something from fan to legend. Obviously, was the fan and then became part of the team. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. Okay, this time we get another large metal piece, not as large as last time, and last time's is just there. This basically goes on there. Not entirely certain why it needs to be a separate piece. Could have just put that on there probably, but there we go. This attaches using 3 screws to hold that together. And then there are 3 more screws to hold this onto the other bit, but we need to put this one on first. So let's get the screws out. What have we got? Enough there. Lots. 3, 6, and a spare, which we shall keep. 2 spares, in fact. We'll keep to one side. Potentially needing them later. We'll get these in there. I'm going to use the big meaty screwdriver that I've got because it's a big meaty build, this, isn't it? So we got the 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. Go through there, and there. So in there. It does go in there. Might not need such a big screwdriver, actually. It's a little bit unwieldy. Let's try and see how we get on. I'm gonna slip down a size of screwdriver to that one. See how that's gonna do. Fits in the screw quite nicely. Not the best of fits into the piece, though. Let me put on my goggles of seeing so I can see better. Put a bit of light on the subject as well so I can see what I'm doing. So that is going in there. Out there. Get that tightened down as well. Let's get the 3rd one in place first, though, which is up the top here. It's going in there, nice and tight. Now I'm going backwards a little bit to break off any excess swarf and metal flicks in the hole in the thread there. As this is the 3rd screw that I'm putting in, I'm going to do this nice and tight. There we go. That's now not moving around there. The other 2 tightened up as well. Come on. You know you want to. There we go. That, and the final one. Started down the bottom there. There we go. It's taking a bit more of a turn. I'll go back and make sure the others are secure as well. Once I've got this one tightened. I think they're going to move anymore, but they might. No, no more turns on that. No more turns on that. And that's that fitted into there. So we need to bring in the other piece. And this is going to go on there that way around. Like that. And we've got, again, 1, 2, and 3 screw holes for that. Get those in there. That's about it. And this is becoming huge again. Every time I do a little bit of this, every time I do an issue of this and put it together, it makes me astounded all over again as to just how massive the thing is going to be. So this is obviously the lower part of the arm where everything's going to attach together. Basically doubles the size of the arm piece. So yeah, quite big. I shall get that all tightened up and make sure that's nice and secure. But that is that. Another issue done. Join me next time for doing more of this again, adding more to it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.